Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to insert section break in Miss Word. Let's open our Word file. When you do this, you will go to the Layout menu. You are going to click on Breaks and then click on Next Page. You can see that the section break is added in the document. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.